What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to get iOS 15.4 emoji on iOS 13 and iOS 14. As you see here, I have all the iOS 15 emojis and I'm on iOS 14. As you see here, I'm on iOS 14.4.1 and I have all the emojis of iOS 15. In this video, I will show you step by step how to get iOS 15.4 emoji easily on older versions like iOS 11, 12, 13 and iOS 14. Okay, first go to Cydia. Now go to the sources here and add this source, Home Smart Source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here in the search, the first thing you will search for is Emoji Font Manager Tweak. This tweak is very important and you must install it before getting iOS 15.4 emojis. Okay, go ahead and install the tweak. Confirm. Alright, the tweak has been installed successfully. Now respring your device. Alright, after installing the tweak, go to Cydia again. Go to the search. Here you will search for Emoji iOS 15.4 EFM Native. Alright, as you see, this is the emoji of iOS 15.4. Now all you have to do is install this package. Install, confirm. Confirm. Alright, the package has been installed successfully. Now, after installing iOS 15.4 emoji, go to the home screen and open the settings. Scroll down and search for Emoji Font Manager Tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now here all you have to do guys is select the iOS 15.4 emoji and then respring your device. After restarting your device, now go to the emoji and you will find all the emojis of iOS 15.4 in your device. As you can see, all emojis of iOS 15.4 are now available to me on iOS 14. Also, you can get it in iOS 11, 12, 13 and iOS 14 and the older versions. You can now use iOS 15.4 emojis anywhere, and the best thing is that you don't need to update your device to iOS 15 to get the iOS 15.4 emojis. This is how to get iOS 15.4 emojis on older versions. It's easy and free. The best thing is that it works anywhere, and the tweak is of course completely free. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.